As a manufacturing company CEO, knowing your key manufacturing performance indicators, or KPIs, is critical for success. KPIs uncover areas that you can improve to achieve your goals. In today's video, we'll discuss what you can do now to use your manufacturing KPIs to reduce waste and increase productivity. As a manufacturing company CEO or business owner, you manufacture products that are in demand while maintaining long-term relationships with customers and vendors. You also look for ways to improve manufacturing efficiencies and will eliminate waste and reduce cost. So knowing your key manufacturing performance indicators is critical for success. KPIs uncover areas that you can improve to achieve your goals. In part one of this series, we'll discuss key performance indicators with a case study to illustrate how KPIs can help reduce waste and increase productivity. Part two of this series will cover manufacturing KPIs that are focused on revenue and profitability. Just a quick refresher, KPIs are a set of quantifiable measures that a company uses to, number one, determine its progress in achieving its strategic or operational goals, and number two, compare its finances and performance against other businesses within its industry and other benchmarks. KPIs include financial measures such as revenue and profit margins, and non-financial measures such as customer satisfaction, employee turnover, and other quality metrics. The KPIs should tie directly to your company's strategic and operational goals. When choosing KPIs, it's essential to determine whether the time spent on collecting, collating, and analyzing the data is worth the information gained, whether the information is accurate, consistent, and reliable, and that the results will arrive with enough time to allow management to act on time. So let's begin with the drill down to manufacturing KPIs. These are important manufacturing KPIs that focus on reducing waste and increasing productivity. We'll begin with a case study. The Telluride Equipment Corporation is a leading global designer, manufacturer, and distributor of outdoor equipment and lifestyle products. They focus on outdoor and consumer enthusiast markets. Their mission is to create the world's preeminent performance-defining product that the best-in-class user cannot live without. Telluride's products are sold under recognized brand names through outdoor specialty and online retailers, the company's website, distributors, and original equipment manufacturing. So they have quite a few channels for distribution. The CEO and executive team maintain strong relationships with their customers, vendors, and distributors to continue the customer's best-in-class status. They also ensure that they manufacture top quality products, tracking manufacturing KPIs, which enables the company to improve manufacturing efficiencies, eliminate waste, and reduce cost. KPIs also highlight when the manufacturing process deviates from the expected high-performance status or standards so that they can make corrections to get things quickly back on track. So let's get started with this sample of important manufacturing KPIs. The first is on-time deliveries as a percent of total units delivered. This is the ratio of total on-time units delivered to the total units delivered. Total cycle time. This is a measure of the time it takes for a customer order to be completed, and it does not include waiting time. Throughput. This is a measure of machine performance, specifically the ratio of units produced by the total production time. And yield. This is a ratio of the number of products manufactured without errors by the total number of items that are produced. And finally, on this short list are scrap. This is a quality measure, and this is the ratio of total scrap divided by the total production run. Don't miss part 2 of the series, Know Your Manufacturing Key Performance Metrics to Improve Revenue and Profitability. I'm Renita Wolf. To learn more, download my free guide, Who Runs Your Company When You're Not There? Thank you for watching.